Hello again, everybody. This is John and Glenn with BestPriceNutrition.com. Today we're talking about Gaspari Nutrition Anavite. This product came out, was it last spring?
Yeah, somewhere around there.
So we've got a lot of questions about it, the ingredients, and kind of just what it is, I guess. And well, it's a multivitamin.
Yeah, essentially the basis of it is a multivitamin.
And then it's got some other performance-enhancing ingredients in here, specifically BetaAlanine. It's got 1.6 grams of it per serving. And then Carnipure, which is that patented form of carnitine L-tartrate, L-carnitine L-tartrate to be specific, added to it. Now, BetaAlanine, for those of you who watch other videos of ours, we've discussed it in greater level, but let's kind of go through it real quick of what BetaAlanine is, alanine being an amino acid, and then the specific form of it. We want to discuss that a little more?
Yeah, essentially what beta-alanine does in the body is as you're working out, you have a buildup of lactic acid. It's a sort of a rate-limiting factor. And you get to the end of that set or end of your reps and you get that burn feeling in your arms or wherever you're working out that day. What the beta-alanine does is it allows you to sort of push back that lactic acid threshold, so you're allowed to get to a few more reps, and then at the end of the exercise or end of your workout, you'll also be stronger than you were without it, because that lactic acid buildup doesn't just happen at the beginning, it's actually all throughout your workout. So it's a very, very good ingredient. It's one of the more studied ones now, and you'll see it in a lot of supplements.
Yeah, so it works within the set and within the workout because the lactic acid accumulates throughout the workout. And as Glenn said, with anaerobic metabolism, your basically your three rate limiting factors are: number one, oxygen. Obviously, it's in the absence of oxygen at some point. Your body's going to build up too many waste products, one of them being lactic acid. And then you're also going to run out of ATP, and that's where creatine comes into play. Creatine is going to recycle ATP. So if you're taking beta-alanine and creatine, you're providing your body with two of those three rate limiting factors. Obviously, oxygen is always going to be rate limiting because it's an anaerobic reaction, meaning without the presence of oxygen. So, and as he said too, beta-alanine has a ton of empirical third-party human studies on it. So, a very good ingredient. Right there behind creatine in terms of the best performance-enhancing supplements on the market. One of the effects that you'll feel from beta-alanine if you've not taken it is you get like a little tingling, like a pins and needles. Usually I feel it on my bottom lip, but it tends to go away over time.
It's not as pronounced with this, from what I'm hearing. I guess it is in a tablet, and the coating that's in there is supposed to help prevent some of that. But for me, myself, I like getting that feeling because I know it's working. I know it's in the body. I know it's there. I know it's happening. Gradually over time, though, the more and more you take that beta-alanine, the less you'll feel that tingling sensation.
And kind of the idea, my thinking is, I don't know what Gaspari was thinking when they made it, but my guess is that they said, beta-alanine is something that you've got to take every day. You've got to be consistent with it. Let's combine it with a multivitamin because you should take it every day. So kind of to keep people on track, you're getting your multivitamin, and you're able to get the beta-alanine, and in this case they also had carnitine to it as well. In terms of dosage, the serving size here is 3 tablets. So when we say 1.6 grams of beta-alanine, that's from 3 tablets. Now they do want you to take 3 tablets twice daily with food. So you could actually get your 3.2 grams of beta-alanine, which like 3 grams, most research kind of says is the threshold that you want to reach. So you do it maybe in the morning, early evening. Try and split your dosage with vitamins, especially multis, because your B's and C's, those are water-soluble vitamins. So what you don't utilize right when you take it, you're going to urinate out, so you want to be able to replenish that. So it's 3 tablets twice daily. So it's a nice alternative if you want to combine beta-alanine with your multivitamin. That's certainly well within reason. Some questions we get: how does it compare to OptiMen and Animal Pack? Well, neither of those products have beta-alanine in there, so that to me would be the biggest difference. Other than that, as far as multis, we'd have to look nutrient by nutrient and see how they compare. But for the most part, that's the main difference, is that the Anavite has the performance-enhancing beta-alanine added to the multivitamin. So.
At a good dosage too.
Yeah, which is important. The clinically studied amount is in here. So. If you guys have any questions further on this product, please feel free to post them in the blog or on the comments section of the video, and we'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.